Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is the 11th tutorial in this course, and in this tutorial we are going to understand how we can delete or drop tables in SQL. Right, so the command that you have to use to drop tables or to remove them from your database is the drop table command, and as the bullet in the presentation reads, the drop table command is used to remove a table and all its contents permanently from a database. And you have to be careful while using this command, because if you execute it once, then the table gets removed, and this is provided you're not using the begin and transaction control statements. And we're going to talk about those later on, but you just have to be careful while using drop table. Don't just play with it. And the syntax of the drop table statement is really very simple. You just have the keywords drop and table, and then you put in the name of the table that you want to remove from your database and put in a semicolon, and you execute the statement and it would get executed. And there are a couple of ways of confirming whether the table that you wanted to remove has been removed or not. So you can either execute the show tables command, or you can describe your table, and if the table exists, then you would get the definition of it in the results set. But if it does not exist, then you would get an error message, right? So now let's see how to remove tables in the MySQL workbench. So as you can see in my test database, I've got two tables, the emp_info table and the employee table. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to remove the emp_info table using the drop table command. So I'll type in drop, and then the keyword table, and then I'll type in the name of the table that I want to remove, which is emp_info. I'll put in a semicolon at the end and press the control enter key combination, and you would see that in the output section I get the message drop table emp_info, and you see this green nice check mark, which means that the command has been processed successfully. And now if I would click on the refresh button in the object browser section, I would see that the emp_info table gets removed from the items that were displayed. And the other way of confirming whether the command drop table was executed successfully or not is obviously to execute the desc command, and emp_info, and I'll put in the semicolon and press the control enter key combination. You would see that in the output section I do not get this green check mark. This time I get the red cross symbol, and I also get an error message that the table emp_info doesn't exist, right? So that means that the table was successfully dropped. So anyway, that's all I wanted to discuss with you in this tutorial, and thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe to my channel in case you haven't already. In the next tutorial we're going to discuss something interesting for sure, and see you soon.